What is an insurrection? An insurrection is a rebellion of citizens or subjects of a country against its government. In the United States, the Constitution of the United States, at Article 1, Section 8, gives power to Congress to, quote, provide for calling forth the militia to execute the laws of the Union, suppress insurrections, and repel invasions, end quote. By the Act of Congress of the 28th of February, 1795, U.S. Law 389, it is provided that Section 1, that whenever the United States shall be invaded or be in imminent danger of invasion from any foreign nation or Indian tribe, it shall be lawful for the President of the United States to call forth such number of militia of the state or states most convenient to the place of danger or scene of action as he may judge necessary to repel such invasion, and to issue his orders for that purpose of such officer or officers of the militia as he shall think proper. And in case of an insurrection in any state against the government thereof, it shall be lawful for the President of the United States, on application of the legislature of such state or of the executive when the legislature cannot be convened, to call forth such number of militia of any other state or states as may be applied for, as he may judge sufficient to suppress such insurrection. Section 2, that whenever the laws of the United States shall be opposed or the execution thereof obstructed in any state by combination too powerful to be suppressed by the ordinary course of judicial proceedings or by the powers vested in the marshals of this act, it shall be lawful for the President of the United States to call forth the militia of such state or of any other state or states as may be necessary to suppress such combinations, to cause the laws to be duly executed, and the use of militia so to be called forth may be continued, if necessary, until the expiration of 30 days after the commencement of the next session of Congress. And Section 3, that whatever it may be necessary, in the judgment of the President, to use the military force hereby directed to be called forth, the President shall forthwith, by proclamation, command against insurgents to disperse and retire peaceably to their respective abodes within a limited time.